What if I told you there's a place where tranquil temples meet insane jungle adventures, where you can feast on world-class food for just a few bucks and meet people from all walks of life? Welcome to Chiang Mai, Thailand, one of the most magical destinations you can explore today. Stick around because I'm about to take you on a storytelling adventure that reveals the best things to do in Chiang Mai. And trust me, this guide might just inspire your next trip. Oh, and before we begin, if you love travel guides, hidden gems, and down-to-earth travel tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world, and it helps us bring you new adventures every week. Okay, ready? Let's head to Chiang Mai. Picture this. It's early morning in Chiang Mai. The streets are quiet except for the soft hum of motorbikes and the occasional chirping of birds. The city is just waking up, and there's a sense of calm that envelops you as you take in the serene surroundings. You walk through the gates of the old city, an area enclosed by ancient walls and moats, and immediately the past feels alive, whispering stories of a bygone era. The architecture, the layout, everything speaks of a rich history that has been preserved through the ages. Chiang Mai is home to over 300 Buddhist temples, each with its own unique story and architectural style. These temples are not just places of worship, but also repositories of art, culture, and history, each one offering a glimpse into the spiritual and cultural fabric of the region. Start at Wat Phra Singh, a golden sanctuary that's a beautiful introduction to Lanna-style architecture, with intricate carvings and serene courtyards. The temple is a haven of peace, where you can spend hours admiring the detailed craftsmanship and soaking in the tranquil atmosphere. You'll see monks in orange robes practicing their morning chants, a sound that feels meditative and calming, even if you don't understand the words. The rhythmic chanting creates a soothing ambiance, making you feel connected to something greater than yourself. But if one temple steals the show in Chiang Mai, it's Wat Phra That Doi Suthep, a true icon of the city. This temple is not just a religious site, but a symbol of Chiang Mai itself, drawing visitors from all over the world. Perched high on a mountain, you'll need to climb over 300 steps to reach it, a journey that's both challenging and rewarding. The climb itself is an experience, with each step bringing you closer to the breathtaking views and the spiritual aura of the temple. Don't worry, it's worth every step, especially when you see its glistening golden chedi and panoramic views of the city below, a sight that will leave you in awe. The view from the top is nothing short of spectacular, offering a sweeping vista of Chiang Mai and its surrounding landscapes. Pro tip? Go for either sunrise, when the golden light reflects off the chedi, or sunset when everything feels almost surreal and magical. These times of day add an extra layer of beauty to an already stunning location, making your visit even more memorable. Another must-visit is Wat Chedi Luang, known for its towering ruins and historical significance, a place where history stands still. The ruins tell a story of a once majestic structure that has withstood the test of time, offering a poignant reminder of the city's rich past. For a unique experience, explore Wat Umang, a temple with ancient tunnels and serene surroundings, perfect for quiet reflection. The labyrinthine tunnels add an element of mystery and intrigue, making it a fascinating place to explore. And don't miss Wat Suan Dock, where you can find a stunning golden pagoda and a peaceful atmosphere, ideal for unwinding. The temple grounds are spacious and tranquil, providing a perfect setting for relaxation and contemplation. You've explored the past. Now it's time to indulge in the present. Chiang Mai's vibrant and bustling street food scene. This city is a haven for food lovers, offering a diverse array of flavors and dishes that will tantalize your taste buds. Close your eyes and imagine the sizzle of meat skewers on a grill, the aroma wafting through the air, mingling with the chatter of locals and tourists alike. The sweet scent of mango sticky rice, a beloved Thai dessert, fills the air, making it impossible to resist. And then there's the spice of freshly made papaya salad, bursting with flavors that dance on your palate. If you're here on a weekend, the Saturday and Sunday night markets are non-negotiable must-visits. These markets are a sensory overload in the best possible way. The streets transform into a whirlwind of sights, smells, and sounds, creating an unforgettable experience that will stay with you long after you leave. One stall sells grilled banana pancakes, a delightful treat that's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Another offers coconut ice cream served in an actual coconut shell, perfect for cooling down on a hot day. And then there's the signature dish of Chiang Mai, Khao Soi, a must-try for any visitor. A creamy coconut-based curry served with egg noodles, topped with crispy fried noodles, pickled mustard greens, and chili oil. It's a symphony of textures and flavors that will leave you craving more. If you haven't tasted Khao Soi, have you really experienced the essence of Chiang Mai? This dish is a true representation of the city's culinary heritage. For daytime eats, head to Chiang Puak Market or one of Chiang Mai's many charming mom-and-pop cafes. These spots offer a more relaxed atmosphere but are equally rich in flavor. Here's a tip for foodies. Always look for a line of locals, because they know where the best grub is. Trust their instincts and you won't be disappointed. And don't forget to wash it all down with a refreshing Thai iced tea, a perfect end to your culinary adventure. This sweet and creamy beverage is the ideal way to cool off and reflect on the incredible flavors you've just experienced. Food coma? Good. You'll need the energy for what's next. Chiang Mai is not just about its delicious street food, it's a gateway to thrilling adventures. Now we head to the jungle, where adventure waits for the bold and the curious. The dense foliage and winding trails are perfect for those seeking a true escape. Chiang Mai is the gateway to northern Thailand's lush wilderness, and the opportunities here are endless and exhilarating. From the treetops to the forest floor, every inch is teeming with life. Option 1, trekking through the jungle, immersing yourself in nature. Feel the earth beneath your feet and the fresh air filling your lungs. Sign up for a guided tour and hike through dense greenery, past stunning waterfalls, and through hill tribe villages. Each step reveals a new wonder. Trust me, there's something humbling about witnessing the raw beauty of nature while learning about the rich local culture. It's an experience that broadens your horizons. Option 2, meet Thailand's gentle giants at an ethical elephant sanctuary, a truly unique experience. These sanctuaries are dedicated to the well-being of these magnificent creatures. And I can't stress this enough. Please avoid places that offer rides or exploit these magnificent animals. Ethical tourism is about respect and compassion. Instead, visit a sanctuary like Elephant Nature Park, where rescued elephants roam freely and visitors can participate in feeding and bathing them. It's a hands-on experience that fosters a deep connection. It's an experience you'll carry in your heart forever, a memory that will last a lifetime. The bond you form with these gentle giants is indescribable. Standing shoulder to shoulder with these majestic creatures really underscores the importance of sustainable tourism and conservation. It's a reminder of our role in protecting these animals. We don't just take from the places we visit, we learn to give back too, creating a positive impact. By engaging in sustainable tourism, we ensure these wonders remain for future generations. Okay, adventure seekers, it's time for something a bit more chill. Chiang Mai is a hub for creativity, and one of the best things to do here is join a workshop. Ever wanted to learn how to cook authentic Thai food? There are cooking classes aplenty, where you'll learn the secrets to that perfect pad Thai or green curry. Prefer to work with your hands? Sign up for a pottery class, a traditional silver making course, or even a Thai massage workshop. These activities not only give you new skills, but also connect you to Chiang Mai's rich cultural heritage. Don't forget to stock up on souvenirs made by local artists. The Nimmanhaemin district is an artsy hotspot. Think boutique shops, unique cafes, and craft stores that'll inspire your inner artist. Whether you're painting, sketching, or crafting, Chiang Mai's creative scene has something for everyone. Here's something a lot of travelers don't think about. Chiang Mai isn't just a destination, it's a launching pad. Just an hour away is Pai, a bohemian paradise known for its hot springs, waterfalls, and a chilled-out vibe that'll make you want to stay forever. Or go north to Chiang Rai, home to the iconic White Temple and stunning Blue Temple. Feeling like a royal adventure? Visit Queen's Sirikit Botanic Garden, where you can explore a massive canopy walkway that feels like stepping into another world. Here's a pro tip. Rent a scooter in Chiang Mai. It's cheap, convenient, and allows you to explore these spots at your own pace. Just remember to drive carefully. Thailand's roads can be unpredictable. Another gem is Mae Kampong, a serene village nestled in the mountains, perfect for a peaceful retreat. Whether you're hiking through lush trails or simply soaking in the tranquility, it's a must-visit. Now, here's something special about Chiang Mai. It's not just about what you do, but how it makes you feel. Time slows down here. The city has this effortless way of blending the old and the new. One moment, you're walking through a centuries-old temple. The next, you're sipping matcha in a hipster cafe surrounded by digital nomads typing away on laptops. Speaking of nomads, Chiang Mai is the capital of remote work in Asia. Co-working spaces like Punspace and Yellow Co-working are buzzing with people from all over the world. It's the perfect place to network, meet new friends, or just soak in the creative energy. And as the sun sets, the city's vibe becomes even more magical, inviting you to be part of its community. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to the best things to do in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Whether you're here for the food, the temples, the adventures, or just to escape the hustle of everyday life, Chiang Mai offers something truly magical for every traveler. If you enjoyed this guide and want to see more amazing travel content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Got a favorite Chiang Mai experience? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear about your adventures. Thank you for joining me on this storytelling trip through Chiang Mai. Until next time, happy travels. And remember, the world is waiting for you. Stay curious and keep exploring.